Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your clip is true HDR, PQ, or HLG, and checking its metadata so Premiere reads color space correctly. Once done, enable your HDR display in the OS and choose Mercury Playback for accurate preview. Next, create a project and either pick a Rec. 2020 PQ sequence preset or manually set sequence color management to match the file. This avoids clipping and unnecessary color conversions right from the start, which preserves highlight detail and color gamut. You should import HDR files through the media browser to preserve embedded metadata and avoid misreads. If Premiere mislabels the clip, right-click and choose Modify Interpret Footage to force the correct color space like Rec. 2020 PQ or HLG, you do this to maintain legal transforms. Then check sequence settings and enable color management so timeline displays use the correct transfer function, and set target max luminance to match your delivery or monitor. This keeps grading predictable during edits. You finish by exporting a proper HDR master from Adobe Media Encoder. Choose H, 265 or ProRes with Rec. 2020 and the PQ or HLG transfer function, and embed HDR10 metadata if needed. Make sure max CLL and max fall values match your project requirements so players read peak luminance correctly. If the result looks washed out or clipped on other devices, recheck interpret footage, verify sequence and export color management, and confirm the playback device supports HDR. That's the single most common troubleshooting fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.